Hi, today we have the tire machine TC-612A. We're going to be showing you how to do low profile tires with the machine with the assist arm, and we're going to show you the different accessories that comes with the machine. So this is the plastic demounting head, demounting head. It comes with rim protectors for the jaws. Also comes with plastic inserts for the metal demounting head with a manual. A tire bar and a rim protector for the tire bar. Comes with 2 cones for the assist arm. Some of the features of this machine: the assist arm, the disc, the 2 bars to assist with the low profile tires. So the first pedal is for tire inflation. Press it halfway, inflates the tire. Press it fully, and bead blaster works. Second pedal is for the jaws. Open and close the jaws. Third one is for the bead breaker. And fourth one is for the motor. So press down, motor goes forward. Press up, motor goes reverse. So you can mount 10 to 26 inch on the outside and 28 inches on the inside of the clamp on the inside of the rim. So this is the air regulator and this is the oil regulator. To drain the water from the air regulator, you just turn this knob. This always gets filled with oil. In order to do that, you gotta disconnect the air line, turn this, and fill it with oil. And it gets hydraulic fluid or transmission fluid, ATF3. And every time you hit the pedal, you'll see a drop of oil from here going down through the lines. So we're going to be using this low profile tire, 225/45 R18, so 40 profile. And we're going to show you how the assist arms work. So we're going to go ahead and break the bead. Also, this bead breaker is adjustable. You can adjust the angle from here. Once we break the bead, we're gonna show you 2 different ways to mount the tire on the clamps. First, we're gonna show you the clamp it on the outside of the jaws. And then we're gonna do it with the clamping it on the inside of the jaws. Okay. So we set the demounting head and lock it in place. And then with this, we adjust it to keep it away off the rim a little bit. So the purpose for these cones are to help you push down on the rim so you can clamp it on the edges on the inside of the tire easy. So we'll use this arm. To lubricate the tire. Once we've lubricated the tire, we're gonna set the demounting head, and we'll use this to help us put the bar in place. Then we're gonna walk it around. And then we're going to spin the tire. So in case the tire is stuck, we'll use this disc under the tire to raise it up and spin the tire till it's free. So once you remove the tire, you can clean the rim, both sides, inside, outside. Release the clamp, clean under the clamp area as well. And then apply some tire lube. And we'll go ahead and install the tire. And then we're going to position the tire like this. Bring the demounting head in. So you want the tire to be below the front of the head and above the rear of the head. And you don't want the head touching the rim, so you adjust it from here. So now we're gonna go ahead and install the tire. Same thing for this side. Depending on what kind of tire it is, for low profile tires especially, we're going to use both the arms. And you got to make sure that this second arm is lower than the first arm. Not by a lot, but by just a little bit. We're going to put that here. We're going to put the disc against the tire, and we're going to lower this and adjust it as we go. And then you can lock this so this doesn't slip back. So once you get about here, you got to readjust. So before we inflate the tire, you gotta make sure you release the jaws. Otherwise you won't seal the bottom bead. We're gonna adjust the tire pressure to manufacturer's recommendation, depending on the vehicle, and then that's it.